The story of Sad. She was skipping through the park and had decided to get a job. So she was walking to the factory because she always wanted to bake pizza, even though she didn't know how to. So she spoke to the owner, and the owner was actually agreeing. She never told him that she didn't know how to cook. I understand. But she was assuming. So she didn't know how to cook, but she only knew how to make ramen noodles. The owner found out and fired her. I got kicked out on the streets and I didn't have any money. I haven't been eating. One day, I caught a heart attack. I started feeling bad and I died. I was dead. I didn't have any money or love. My mother was crying. My dad never cared about me. He's just a buff man. Fly away, Teresa.